Hey folks, Chris once again, welcome back to another video. This is another request this time from David, and he wanted me to react to a Angry Grandpa video called Angry Grandpa Axes and Air Conditioner. Now, I've seen this before, but that was like a long time ago. So all I remember is him axing the shit out of air conditioner until it hisses at him. So, let's see.
Well, he's coming back! He said there was nothing wrong with him! Coming back! They probably didn't put a fee on it.
It's you, obviously.
How can it be me? It was
Yeah, he's pissed in this video. Wow.
Either you fix my air conditioner or I'll fix it. How can you do it in the morning? You got to the bar more to get this damn thing.
You gotta be kidding! It's fucking 8 o'clock at night!
The heater's got me.
You need to drink water?
The heater's got me! You better be there by 9. Better there by 9.
Funny enough, it is 8 o'clock and it's not nighttime. Somebody was a damn liar.
I can't help you, I'll try.
I'll
9 o'clock on the field. Wait to know.
Doesn't get dark until like 9:30 around here.
What's going on? I know, it's not that hot in here. It feels good in here.
You're full of shit. It's got to be 105 degrees. This bullshit, Joey.
It's fine.
His shirt says wall fart and it says always smell. That fits him.
I couldn't eat anything that I would.
What do you got in mind?
I'll fix the whole goddamn business. I'll be his goddamn business. Bullshit. I'll fix my own goddamn business.
Oh shit.
Shit's not even on, man.
It's cut off at the moment. It's dying in there.
Why would you act in the first place? Was it not working or was it broken? It's about to be broken, that's for sure.
There's, oh my god, you know. You need to chill, Dad.
They're back on.
I don't like where this is going, man.
Where's my toe?
Charlie is such a bad actor. He's like, I don't know what's going on, man.
Oh my god. The AC is fine. The AC is fucking fine. It feels good in there. You just want to break something. So yeah, here.
What?
Oh god. Oh my
God. Why is he doing what?
Fuckers.
I would ask why he's doing it, but what did he destroy? Why did he? What's the reason he destroyed half of the shit he destroyed? He has no fucking reason.
Oh my god, it's like leaking now.
He just likes to break expensive shit. It's funny, man, but man, wasn't that expensive, Michael? I say the most expensive thing he's probably destroys probably that washer or dryer, or that whichever one it is in that one video, which I'll react to that too.
Oh my god, Dad! Stop! Oh,
you're just standing there filming it.
Are you happy? Oh my god. Oh.
You're standing there filming it. Like, go over there and do something, Charlie, you pussy.
There, I fixed it.
Charlie was always a pussy.
There's now. See it's going. Go there now. Look.
Yeah, you fucked it up now. You know how much this is gonna cost?
Like, how are you strong enough? How are you strong enough to do this shit? And oh man, you sure was strong as hell.
I don't even know what to say anymore, man. I'm happy.
There, Michael. There's the exit.
God damn, you're gonna hurt yourself. You need to stop.
There's the ignition, Michael.
Hope you're fucking happy, man.
You'll pluck the shit out of
Security
it.
is not here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning.
No, it's not.
I'm alive when he shows up like 5 minutes from now.
Shut up. I just fixed the air conditioner.
You fixed it alright. You destroyed it.
You're gonna be hot as hell now.
Michael, you better get the money over here now. I think I need a little Freon.
Look what you did to this damn
I didn't do a damn thing.
AXES.
You didn't do a damn thing, you fucking AXES did that like Jack Torrance from The Shining.
I'm afraid it's gonna blow the hell up on yourself.
What?
Why would you go near it? Why the fuck would you?
Stop. Will you please stop?
I'm fixing my air conditioner.
Charlie, you're fucking stupid. You're just standing there filming and doing nothing. Like, go over there, take the axe away from him, and run off with it. I mean, goddamn, Charlie was a fucking pussy, man.
Call your goddamn brother and get his ass to his distributor. Right now.
Oh, yeah, he's definitely gonna see this.
Turn that goddamn thing off.
Yeah, turn that damn camera off. Yeah, guys, that was funny. By the way, I will update on one of my animatronics. One of them broke. I had to box it up, so I will film that video here later. But, yeah, I'll get into all that after I upload 2 more videos. So, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.